If we start seeing people, I turn off the camera, obviously.
I'm gonna run.
Yo, what's up? Vlogs with Noah.
Joey.
We climbed the coolest. We climbed a fence.
No way.
This guy's like, oh, no way, we're not on our property after we climbed a barbed wire fence. A barbed wire?
I think I need to jump that. Ready? Look how steep this is. You gotta look on that side.
Like,
I'm not gonna stop. I've seen it. Video is
it's gonna be a vlog, right?
yeah,
You're okay with me posting this on Jam?
Huh?
On Jam Intellectual?
No, don't you have family?
Both.
Or Jam? That one was nasty?
No, not anymore.
What happened?
The lazy bum. Alright, I haven't made an announcement about this. The lazy bum quit.
You're such a liar.
I'm not serious.
So I'll be the new dumbass
Yes.
for you.
Well, we will do
This is
multiple crews.
This is good enough to walk on, but why do we want to go on that side?
I don't know, it's not that cool. Let's go on this one.
That's not cool, is it?
I know, it's not cool.
It's too low. Dude,
It
we
is.
can probably turn back already
No.
and follow it the
No, we have
opposite
to
way.
go up to someone's house.
Are you dumb?
No, I'm not dumb. I'm smart. What is this, a hot tub?
Look, a basketball.
What is this, a hot tub?
Should I steal that ball?
No, throw it though.
I guess I can't use that back.
No, eat it.
Should I throw it back over the fence and we'll just run?
We don't have to run. No, just eat it right now and see where it goes.
I can't throw it that far.
Just eat it.
Where?
I don't know, in the woods. Or over the fence, try.
You'll do it. Do you think you want to?
I will.
I'm full sending you. Ah!
Yo, from here it just looks like the ground's so... No way.
It looks like the ground's flat. Yo, that's gonna be such an epic video.
Welcome to Jordy and Joey. Look at monkeys. Monkey! Monkey! And monkey!
That seems to be a tiger. Golden!
Like you know anything. He just likes him because he has the same name. Hey, Golden!
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 Look, it's literally
Golden.
golden.
Uh-huh.
Golden.
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 Golden! Alright.
Golden. It has so much wings. Golden. Golden. Oh my.
Golden?
I love him.
Golden. He's trying to eat us.
It's like, wow.
Eat me. I dare you.
Golden.
You're not too aggressive to take a picture with me. I'll climb in there and take a picture with you.
Hi. Hi. Lazy. Attack.
Lazy. Attack.
Eat.
He's probably having PTSD from having to take pictures with people.
Yeah.
So this one was too aggressive to take pictures with. Let's try see if this golden is too aggressive to take pictures with.
Hey.
Guess not.
Golden. What? Hi.
Hi.
Golden.
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 Hi.
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 Golden.
Golden.
Hi.
We're jamming out.
Yeah. No.
Literally, look at these pigs. Look at these pigs. No, but look at these pigs. I'm serious.
Very disgusting.
Those are some weird looking pigs.
Oh, I thought you were taking a selfie. Hello. Hi. How does it work?
So if you're wondering where we are, we're at a animal sanctuary thing, and it's not where you worship animals.
Yeah.
That's what I thought it was. Oh, great golden, give me tiger locks. You know what that means? No. Yo, go stand on that bench and jump off it epically. You won't.
How could it hit?
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. I'll get a million views.
Wait, how epically?
Epic, like as epic as you can make it. Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Stay on it, I don't.
Wow, that is a cool animal. Hey, let's go.
Trying to get it off. I scored. Look at that.
I'll do some
That's
beautiful
the life
cinematography.
Look at that poop.
Wow, that's a bird. That's a bird. That's a bird. There are birds here. You know how I know there are birds here? Because I see them.
Hi.
I think I know those people.
I'm talking to the bear. Who
Oh.
talking to?
Oh, I thought we knew those people.
No, the donkeys. Oh yeah, they're my brothers.
Those aren't even your brothers. That wasn't that funny. Oh, the donkeys are your brothers. Now I get the joke. Shoot.
Bear is cool. Honestly, whoever did it was a good.
Honestly, those animals aren't that interesting.
Honestly.
They kind of look
This
stupid.
is the worst zoo I've ever been
This is the
to
worst zoo ever.
in my life.
They just let the animals roam free.
Only been to 2 zoos in my life. But
I've only been to one, and this, which I wouldn't call it a zoo.
Yeah, it's more like a Noah's.
Alright, stop doing it. Do it again.